Welcome to Easy Driver. We are happy to have you. This is a two-part video. In both of them we will discuss tips for your off-road trip. This is part 1. Be sure to watch part 2. Please hit the comment, like, share and subscribe button so you can get other great videos from us. Are you planning an off-road trip? If so, you're in the right place. In this video post, we will provide you with tips for your off-road trip to ensure a smooth and enjoyable adventure. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or a beginner, these tips will help you make the most of your journey. From choosing the right vehicle to packing essential gear, we've got you covered. So, let's dive into the world of off-roading and discover how you can make your trip a memorable one. Planning your off-road trip. Planning your off-road trip is an essential step to ensure a smooth and enjoyable adventure. This part of the video will guide you through the important aspects of planning, including researching and choosing your destination, checking local regulations and permits, and assessing your vehicle's capability and preparing it for off-roading. Research and choose your destination. Before embarking on your off-road trip, it's crucial to research and choose the right destination that suits your preferences and skill level. Consider factors such as terrain, difficulty level, and accessibility. Identify your interests. Determine the type of off-roading experience you desire. Do you prefer rocky terrains, sandy dunes, or lush trails through forests? Narrowing down your interests will help you focus your research. 2. Consult online resources. Visit reputable off-roading websites, forums, and social media groups dedicated to off-road travel. These platforms often provide valuable insights, trip reports, and recommendations from experienced off-roaders. 3. Read reviews and recommendations. Look for reviews and recommendations from fellow off-road enthusiasts who have visited your potential destinations. Their first-hand experiences can provide valuable information and help you make an informed decision. Consider local attractions and amenities. Alongside off-roading opportunities, also consider the availability of amenities such as camping sites, fuel stations, and nearby attractions. These factors can enhance your overall experience. Check local regulations and permits. To ensure a responsible and legal off-road trip, it's essential to familiarize yourself with local regulations and obtain any necessary permits. Here's what you need to keep in mind. 1. Research off-road regulations. Research the specific off-road regulations implemented by the governing authorities in your chosen destination. These regulations might include designated trails, restricted areas, speed limits, and environmental guidelines. Check permit requirements. Determine if a permit is required for off-roading in the area. Some off-road trails or parks may require a permit to access, and these permits may have specific conditions or limitations. Obtain permits in advance. If permits are necessary, make sure to obtain them well in advance of your trip. Some permits might have limited availability or require you to book a specific time slot. Assess your vehicle's capability and prepare it for off-roading. Your vehicle plays a crucial role in the success and safety of your off-road trip. Before hitting the trails, assess your vehicle's capability and take the necessary steps to prepare it accordingly. 1. Evaluate your vehicle's off-road capability. Consider your vehicle's make, model, and off-road capabilities. Determine if any modifications or upgrades are necessary to handle the terrain you plan to encounter. 2. Check your vehicle's maintenance. Ensure that your vehicle is in good mechanical condition. Conduct a thorough check of essential components such as the engine, brakes, tires, suspension, and fluids. Address any necessary repairs or maintenance tasks well in advance. 3. Equip your vehicle with essential gear. Pack your vehicle with the necessary off-road gear and recovery equipment. This may include a spare tire, recovery straps, a jack, a shovel, a first aid kit, and a fire extinguisher. It's important to be prepared for any unforeseen circumstances. By thoroughly planning your off-road trip and taking these necessary steps, you'll be well prepared to embark on an exciting and safe adventure. Remember to always prioritize safety, respect the environment, and follow local rules and regulations. Packing essentials for your off-road adventure. When it comes to planning your off-road trip, packing the right essentials is crucial. Proper preparation ensures your safety, comfort, and enjoyment throughout your adventure. In this section, we will explore the must-have items that should be included in your packing list. Safety gear and first aid kit. Ensuring safety should be your top priority when going on an off-road trip. Equip yourself with the necessary safety gear to handle any unforeseen circumstances. Here are a few essentials to consider. Protective gear. Invest in a sturdy helmet, gloves, and goggles to safeguard yourself from potential injuries while riding. Safety harnesses and seat belts. If you are traveling in a vehicle, make sure everyone is strapped in securely with seat belts or safety harnesses. Medical kits. Prepare a complete medical kit that includes bandages, antiseptic wipes, painkillers, insect repellent, and any needed medication specific to your needs. It's always better to be prepared for minor injuries or illnesses that may occur during your journey. Food and water supplies. Staying properly nourished and hydrated is crucial for your off-road adventure. Make sure to pack ample food and water supplies to sustain you throughout the trip. Consider the following tips. Non-perishable food. Opt for lightweight food items like energy bars, trail mix, canned goods, and dehydrated meals. These will provide you with the necessary sustenance without taking up too much space. Water. Carry an adequate amount of water for both drinking and any emergency situations. Consider bringing a water filtration system or purification tablets to ensure a safe drinking supply if you need to refill along the way. Navigation tools and maps. Navigating off-road terrains can be challenging, especially in unfamiliar areas. Here are a few tools to assist you in finding your way. GPS navigation system. Invest in a GPS device specifically designed for off-road use, allowing you to track your location and find the best routes. Paper maps. Always carry paper maps as a backup in case your GPS fails or encounters technical difficulties. Familiarize yourself with the maps in advance to stay on track during your adventure. Camping equipment. Since off-road trips often involve multiple days of exploration, carrying suitable camping equipment will make your experience more comfortable and enjoyable. Consider the following essentials. Tent. Choose a durable and weather-resistant tent that can accommodate the number of people in your party. Ensure it is easy to set up and pack away for convenience. Sleeping gear. Bring sleeping bags, sleeping mats, and pillows to ensure a good night's rest after a day of off-road excitement. Cooking utensils. Pack a portable stove, cookware, and utensils to prepare meals while camping. Don't forget to include cleaning supplies for hygiene purposes. Remember, the key to a successful off-road trip is proper planning and packing. By including safety gear, food and water supplies, navigation tools, and camping equipment, you'll be well prepared for any challenges that may arise. Stay safe, enjoy the journey, and create unforgettable memories on your off-road adventure. Off-roading techniques and safety tips. Off-roading can be an exhilarating adventure, allowing you to explore and experience the great outdoors like never before. However, it's important to approach off-roading with the right techniques and prioritize safety at all times. In this section, we will discuss some essential off-roading techniques and safety tips to help you make the most of your off-road trip. Know the basics of off-roading. Before hitting the trails, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the basics of off-roading. Understand the capabilities and limitations of your vehicle, as well as the various off-roading techniques that will come in handy during your trip. Knowing how to navigate different terrains, such as sand, mud, or rocky surfaces, will ensure a smoother and safer off-roading experience. Drive slow and steady. When off-roading, remember that speed is not your friend. It's essential to maintain a slow and steady pace, especially when encountering challenging terrain. Driving at a slower speed allows you to have better control over your vehicle and react to obstacles more effectively. Remember, off-roading is not a race. Take your time to enjoy the journey and stay safe. Stay on designated trails. While venturing off the beaten path may be tempting, it's crucial to respect the environment and stick to designated off-roading trails. These trails are specifically designed to minimize the impact on the surrounding ecosystem while providing a safe route for off-roaders. Straying from designated trails can harm fragile habitats and disturb wildlife, so always follow the rules and stay on the designated path. Be mindful of weather conditions. Weather conditions can greatly influence the off-roading experience and pose potential risks. Before setting out on your off-road adventure, check the weather forecast for the area you'll be exploring. Heavy rain can turn dirt trails into treacherous mud pits, while extreme temperatures can affect vehicle performance. Being aware of the weather conditions will help you plan accordingly and make informed decisions about your off-roading trip. Remember, off-roading is about enjoying nature responsibly and having a great time while prioritizing safety. By knowing the basics of off-roading, driving slow and steady, staying on designated trails, and being mindful of weather conditions, you'll enhance your off-road experience and ensure the well-being of both yourself and the environment. Stay tuned for more in our Tips for Your Off-Road Trip series, where we'll look deeper into different aspects of off-roading to help you make the most of your adventures. Thanks for watching. Join us for part 2.